Learn how to make an awesome St. Patrick's Day wreath for your door. I'm going to start with 2 different colors of mesh that go in the back ring. The first color I cut into 24-inch pieces, and I'm going to be ruffling them and sticking them in each pine branch. So I'm using an emerald faux jute mesh. You can get it on our website. And these are 24-inch pieces ruffled. And I'm going to do this all around just that back larger ring of the wreath form. Once I get the whole back ring filled in, I have a second color of mesh I have cut into 10-inch pieces. I'm using a lime faux jute mesh, and these are 10 inches. And then I have 2 ribbons per grouping, and the ribbons are cut into 13-inch pieces. So you take one little tube of the mesh with 2 pieces of ribbon, and you just twist it right on top of that emerald mesh. And then I have another group of ribbon, same piece of lime mesh, and I'm going to alternate between the 2 groups of ribbon. So every pine branch that has the emerald mesh is going to get 1 piece of lime with 2 ribbons. Once I twist it into the peg, I kind of angle them out towards the outer edge of the wreath, that way they don't get covered up later. And you're just going to continue doing this all the way around that whole back larger ring. Now that I have the whole back ring filled in, we're going to do the smaller inner ring, and I'm going to do a emerald metallic fabric mesh that is also available on our site. And I'm going to be ruffling this the same way I did the emerald for that back ring. So I'm going to ruffle it and fill in that whole center ring. After I twist on the emerald mesh, I'm going to be adding another piece of just the lime mesh. That's 10 inches. Each peg is going to get just 1 little tube of the lime mesh just to kind of help fill it. Once I finish adding all of these tubes onto that front ring, I'm going to add in my sign and 2 bows that I have already made. If you want bow tutorials, they're on our YouTube channel or TikTok. But yeah, I'm going to add on the sign and the 2 bows, and then I'll go back through, and any pegs that are still showing, I'll add some strips of ribbon onto those. So you want to grab your sign. I put a little 3M hook on the back, and I'm going to put a pipe cleaner through it and just figure out where I want it on the wreath and just twist the pipe cleaner onto the wreath form. And then I have 2 bows I made. They're going to go on opposite corners, like one on the top corner, and then a second one's going to go on the bottom right corner. So I'm going to tie these on, and then I'm also going to be gluing them a little bit to the sign. Now for any gaps where the pegs are showing, I have 3 pieces of ribbon. They're cut into 13-inch pieces again. And I'm just going to twist them right on top and then fan them out. So I have 2 spots here that I want to fill. And then I'm going to add another set of 3 ribbons to that top corner, just to kind of add more to that side. After I twist these on, I kind of fan them out a little bit so they're all showing, and then I'm going to take one of our lime green and white glitter curl picks that are available on our site, and I'm going to break it up into individual little pieces. And then I will be using hot glue to glue them in wherever there's just a gap or space that needs to get filled. This is optional, you don't have to add picks in, but it does help give it a lot more detail. So I'm just putting glue on it and I'm just going to stick it right in. You can kind of stretch out the curls a little bit if you want to. And I'm just going to go around putting these in, and then I'll be finished. Alright, here's the finished wreath. Thank you for watching this video. If you need some awesome materials, make sure to visit our website at shopdesignerdiy.com. Thanks, bye.